Welcome back to Guard Guides. In security, the ability to write a clear and comprehensive incident report is pivotal. Today, we're diving into the practical side of security operations, or SecOps. I'll guide you through the process of crafting an effective incident report using a real-world scenario that unfolded before a security officer's body cam. Before we get into the details of incident report writing, you'll need a couple tools. For this task, you'll need a memo pad and a pen. Black ink is preferred, blue is acceptable, but you should avoid red ink. And here's something else to give you a head start. I've created a detailed incident report template, the very one we'll be using in this tutorial. It's designed to make your report writing more structured and effective. For this tutorial, we'll be stepping into the shoes of the security officer featured in our real-world scenario. Let's call him Officer Smith. When it comes to writing the incident report, I'll be adopting Officer Smith's perspective. That means I'll be using first-person terms like I, me, and myself. This will give you a practical feel for how to document your own experiences in actual report writing. In the original video, which you can find linked in the description, the incident occurs in March at an obvious restaurant post, and we can tell from the dimming light outside that it's roughly 6 p.m. For our purposes, let's assume Officer Smith is on a 4x12 evening shift. Effective note-taking is a critical first step in incident reporting. It's not always possible to jot down details during an active event, but let's imagine Officer Smith is able to do so intermittently in this situation. The focus here is on capturing key details quickly and clearly. Neatness is secondary to clarity, and shorthand is an excellent way to achieve this. Now, let's classify the incident. We're identifying it as unauthorized access. This is because the individual was visibly intoxicated and lacked a legitimate reason to be at the premises. It's vital in report writing to choose a category or categories that accurately reflects the situation while remaining clear and straightforward. The next step is to detail the subject's appearance and behavior. In this incident, we're observing a black female in her 30s with an average height and slim build. She's wearing a distinctive multicolored hoodie striped in beige, brown, red, and white. Now, let's document the actions taken. This part of the report is important, especially since it involves the use of force. In this scenario, we see the subject repeatedly refusing to comply with Officer Smith's commands. As a result, when she lies flat on the ground, Officer Smith has to resort to physical means, dragging her off the premises. Such actions, no matter how minimal, are categorized as use of force and must be thoroughly documented. The entire incident unfolded in about 3 minutes. It's crucial to capture accurate start and end times in our notes for the report. This level of detail is essential for a comprehensive and credible incident report. With our notes complete, let's move to compiling these details into the formal incident report. This is where our initial observations are transformed into a structured and official document. And that wraps up our guide on incident report writing. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Guard Guides for more insightful content. Follow us on Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, and check out our latest products on Etsy. For more tips, watch our previous video on common mistakes security officers should avoid. Thanks for watching, and be safe.